everyone, welcome back to Baran Creations. I'm here with a new video, that is, let's unbox and review a My Rechargeable LED lamp. Let's get started. So this is the sleek Mi rechargeable LED lamp. With this, in this box there is one USB to micro USB cable, and this is the lamp. And there are some instructions over here. So let's switch it on and see. So this is the bright mode, and this is the warm, and this is cool. This is bright mode. This is warm mode. I'll keep a paper to focus. And this is cool mode. And this is bright mode. Now I'll switch off the light, room light, and then we'll show it again. So I have switched off all the room lights. Now let's see the brightness and level of this lamp. Okay. I think this is warm mode. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So if you press the button once, the lamp will go off. If you press again, then it will light up. And if you hold it continuously, you can change its modes. The brighter mode, it is of 100 lumens and you can use it for 4 hours. And the second mode, which is cool mode, it is of 60 lumens and you can use it for around 7 hours. And the third, warm mode, it is of 10 lumens and you can use it for 40 plus hours, as mentioned in my website. So now let's connect it to the power and see. So you can see the light blinking here, so it will indicate the battery level as well. One more thing is, this is adjustable. You can adjust the light to focus on the matter. I bought this Mi rechargeable LED lamp from Mi store for rupees 1499. You can get this in sale price for around 1.2 to 1.3k during the sale seasons. Overall, I like this product. It is sleek and gives a classy modern look as well. You can consider this buying. It is budget friendly and also the quality is, and the look it gives, it's worth the money. I love this sleek and classy look. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Baran Creations for more videos, and hit bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.